We all know about Albert Einstein, who invented a bulb. Why we know about it? Because he failed a lot of time by inventing bulb, but he gets successful with his failure. This is Alok. Good morning, everyone. I am presenting why positive thinking is important for us. If we talk about positive thinking, what is positive thinking? A thing then can negotiate, or we can say change our thinking always. What is it? We can think positively by these three steps. If we see challenge negative thoughts, whenever we got negative thought to our minds that we cannot do it, that we have get ever and ever we get failure in it. We don't have we don't have to accept it. We just have to say that we can do it, whatever it is, but we can do it. Practice positive affirmation. It means change your mind, change your mindset by saying positive thinkings like why should I can't do it? Question your mind that why could, that if the all person can do it, then why you can't do it? You can also do it. If we talk about embrace a growth mindset, the last point, it means a ability that develops our mindset to be strong. Like we have all know that a small steps go to a big step. It means start slow, get better, and you will get the result. If we talk about resilience, it means how emotional satisfaction we get. Firstly, accept your emotion. Whatever emotions you are feeling, just accept it. Don't neglect it that you are not emotional. You are also emotional. If you are a boy, if you are a girl, you are emotional. You will get emotional satisfaction through your pain. Social support. Whenever you want a social support, it doesn't mean you have to go with negative thought persons. You can go with a positive environment by positive thinking persons. Whenever you live with positive persons, you see that you are also getting positive. Bounce back faster. It means whenever you struggle in something, whenever you get stuck in something, just make a bounce like a ball that you are bouncing toward it. It doesn't mean you are stuck at somewhere. You are bouncing toward it, making that you can also do it. It doesn't mean you are stopping it. It means you can also do it by what you have learned from your mistakes. The last one is balance mind and body. We can balance our mind and body. It is the main factor if we talk about scientific reasons. Like a scientific reason says, science says that if your mind, if your body is not well, then you will feel negative. Why it is ever sees most of the times it sees when a person is feeling sleepy because he is not getting 8 hours sleep normally. That's why he thinks or she thinks negative way that because of her mind. If we talk about next thing, the three main things are there. Daily gratitude journal. These are the steps that we have to follow so that we can get a positive mindset. By three daily gratitude journals, by putting three main points that you can do it in your daily life. What you can do it, what you want to do it, and what you want to achieve. Third is mindfulness meditation. It means meditation is also important in our life. Means fitness and mind and physically fit is important to our body so that you can get easily fit and your mind should be strong by giving a meditation work, by going gym, by going to run. The third and the last point is say your positive movements. Whenever you think positive, whenever you get a positive mindset at a point like you are imagining or you are enjoying a moment, just save it in your mind that you whatever whenever you get a negative thought, just imagine it. Why I am happy that your parents, like example, if I will give you example, most of the students who struggles in their study, they just imagine their parent faces that how we feel happy when we are surrounding with our parents. Thank you, Alok. Thank you, everyone. This is Alok, and this is my present.